High knees, everyone! We got this! Yeah, to the clinic! March on, heroes!
What's wrong, Kofi?
When you feel a tickle in your nose and your face begins to scrunch and close, don't sneeze out loud and screwed in close.
Come on, let's go!
We've got a better
I don't
way
know,
to
Maya.
care.
It'll be fun. Don't be a scaredy
Don't
cat.
sneeze out
Okay,
loud
okay,
into
I'm coming.
the air.
Yay,
We've
let's
got
go.
a better way
Hey, everyone,
to care.
watch this! To sneeze or cough, use your
Sneeze
elbow.
in your elbow,
Like this.
achoo,
Bend your arm and tuck your nose right in.
That's the
Cool,
smart
that's
thing we should
Now
do.
you try.
Achoo!
Not in your
Are you
hands,
okay?
not in the
Sorry,
air.
just a little.
Keep your friends safe everywhere. Clap, clap, elbow up, turn away. Healthy kids do it this way. Germs can travel fast and far, like a tiny flying star.